With the latest open beta, OnePlus rolled out few new features on their OnePlus 7 series. And most of you have been asking how to get those features on OnePlus 6 series. So in this video, we'll take a look on Oxygen OS Open Beta 14 port for OnePlus 6 and 6T. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Right now you can see this is my OnePlus 6T, which is running on the Oxygen OS Open Beta 14 port, which was officially for OnePlus 7 series. About section if you go, you can see device name, it says OnePlus 7. Oxygen OS Open Beta is 14. At the end of the video, you guys can find out the installation guide. All the download links are given in the description below. Huge thanks to Jay for porting Oxygen OS Open Beta 14 for OnePlus 6 series. So I've been using this port since yesterday and I haven't faced any kind of issues till now. Everything is working fine, like calls, Wi-Fi calling. If you guys want to install this port, make sure your device bootloader is unlocked. If you're not aware about it, a video guide is available in the description below. So now talking about this port, we have all the features which came on latest Oxygen OS Open Beta 14 for OnePlus 7 series. Talking about the launcher version is the latest one, which is 4.4.4, which also includes quick search feature and recents panel with app icon. First change you'll notice is now we have the redesigned icons in the status bar. With Open Beta 14, OnePlus have added few more clock styles for the ambient display, and we also have the recording feature directly implemented inside the phone app. So going inside the phone history or the call logs, if you have recorded the call, you can tap on these three dots and now you can see an option of call recording, which will show you the entire list of recorded calls. So this is one feature what they have added. Now talking about the next feature, and we are not sure when this feature will be available on OnePlus 6 series. So here under customizations, clock style, now you can see we have 10 clock styles available, and this is for ambient display. Previously we had only 3 clock styles available. Soon we'll also see always on feature on OnePlus devices. So from here you can choose any of the clock styles, and this works with the ambient display. You can change the ambient display settings from the display section. And if you install this port, you won't find much of OnePlus applications. Camera application also you need to install manually, but here make sure you are only installing version 3.8.114. I'll leave a direct link in the description below. Make sure to use that specific application because that's the same version which is available on stable version for OnePlus 6 and 6T. Other applications can be installed from Google Play Store. Until now I haven't faced any kind of issues with this port. Wi-Fi works fine, both the WANs are working. We also get dual channel network acceleration. Bluetooth have no issues. I have already tested with my OnePlus Wireless Z. There are no issues with the face unlock and fingerprint scanner. Telegram link of Jay will be given in the description below. You can follow that. And these are the benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu benchmark application. With Geekbench application, single core scores 480 and multi-core scores 2045. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 3,61,889. Now let's take a look at the installation process. Installation process is quite easy. Make sure you are running Oxygen OS on your OnePlus 6 or 6T and your device bootloader should be unlocked. If you guys are not aware about unlocking the bootloader, follow the video guide in the description below. Then what you have to do is you need to download few files. One will be the ADB drivers that you can install it manually on your PC. After that you need only one file. If you have OnePlus 6, then download the OnePlus 6 file. If you have OnePlus 6T, then download the OnePlus 6T file. After that, right click and extract this file. Once you are done extracting this file, now it's time to install it on your device. First, boot your device into fast boot mode. So here you can see my device state is unlocked and I've connected my device to PC. If you have already installed ADB drivers, then open command prompt there and check whether your device is properly connected in fast boot mode or not. For that you can give a command fast boot devices and hit enter. This will show you a serial number, that means your device is properly connected in fast boot mode. Now you can close command prompt and open the folder where you have extracted this OnePlus 7 port. After extracting, you can see these many files in which flash this file, which is Flasher Windows Force Vibe. And make sure to take backup before doing this. And this entire process might take around 10 to 12 minutes. Double click on this and it will start installing OnePlus 7 port. Wait for it to complete. Once the process is completed, you can close this by pressing any key, and now your device should boot into Oxygen OS Open Beta 14 port for OnePlus 6 and 60. Initial bootup will take around 2 to 3 minutes, and you can ignore this initial message. Complete the initial setup, and now you have the Oxygen OS Open Beta 14 port for your OnePlus 6 and 60. So guys, that was a quick look and installation guide. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.